Hi, it's Ash again, and here I am. Tonight we're going to be doing spatchcock chicken. Spatchcock chicken is, I think, a real necessity to learn how to cook on the dome. It's really quite simple. You start with a whole chicken, you remove the backbone, and then you just flip the chicken open, and then you just season it. And I will be cooking this at on a 350. Outside tonight it's about 30 degrees, and it's the first day of winter today. So for spicing, I've just used some of Prud'homme's Magic barbecue seasoning, and we're going to cook that a half an hour on one side and then flip it to the other for another half hour, and then take it off. So we'll see what she looks like when we're done. This Ash, and I'll probably see at the halfway point if I've got enough light out to do that. If not, I'll just show you the finished product before I get my teeth into it. Hey, it's Ash again. One thing I forgot to tell you is that I do flip the wings over in like this, just so it presents better at the table. So with that out, I'll be firing the grill up here shortly, and be putting this thing on, and we're probably going to eat around 6 o'clock, 6:30. So I'll put the grill on about, or put the bird on about 5:30. You know, the spatchcock chicken wouldn't be right without a vegetable, so what I'm going to do at the halfway point when I turn the bird is I'm going to put on the vegetables that I've got here. What I've got is a zucchini, small zucchini, and an eggplant. They're both cut like French fries, and then some scallions, and just some sea salt and cracked black pepper, and then I'll put olive oil on them. And during the last half hour of the cook, these will cook along with the balance of the bird, and we'll be good to go at that point. So we'll see you at the halfway point. Well, this is Ash back, and we're getting ready to throw the bird on, so I'm going to open up the dome here. You can see we got a good fire. I put some pecan wood in there, and we're going to just take the bird and lay him right about like that. And in the second half of the cook, we're going to move them off to the side a little bit more over here, and to make room for the veggies. So here we go with the cook at this point. Hey, it's Ash back. Here we are at the halfway point, and it's already dark out, and it's like 5:30 at night. There's the chicken. We're just going to get turning that in a second. I got these veggies. I just add a little olive oil to the top, and you know, of course it goes to the bottom. And we're going to throw those on next to the chicken and go for another half. We'll see you then. Okay, this is Ash, and it's time to serve, and looks dang good, doesn't it?
Can you step back so that the pretty bottles show?